Hey, welcome back to your Sunday night blue chip session here on the Caribou Data Science Channel. Before we get started, a big favor to ask you folks again this evening: give this video a big thumbs up, for me today. Okay, just give it a big thumbs up. Okay, so here we go. It's the blue chip is Consolidated Edison, or Con Ed, as we on the inside like to call it. You can see it's going through a rough patch here. Had this really great beginning to the year. But then following about May, it began to fall down. Now it's below the 100-day average. Now it's starting to move back up. Let's take a look at relative strength index. Well, you can see it was above the overbought. It was above the overbought potential, indicating a overbought overactivity, and then it began to fall back down. And it fell below the oversold, which could indicate it's going to move back up, which it did move back up, didn't it? Okay, so it has recovered a little bit, but now it's above this 50 line, which could mean it's heading towards another correction. All right. MACD intensity, as always, the histogram indicates the strength of the movement or the volatility of the movement. The red line is the signal, the blue line is the price. Okay, and what we're looking for is crossover. So it crossed above here, all the way back over here, right? And then we saw some positive activity here as the activity increased, but it was pretty flat over here. Then it fell back down. We got a pretty good dip down here, and you can see how the momentum of the volatility shifted downward. And it pretty much continued down for all practical purposes. It really continued down, and it's still down. Now it kind of claimed back up here a little bit. We had a bit of a recovery here, but not a very big recovery. Okay, so that's the end of this first session here. I'll be back in a couple minutes to do our forecast, the second part, which is a forecast. As always, be sure to click that thumbs up button for me today, okay?